events in blood clotting. The blood clotting is a cascading event. A number of events are occurring simultaneously. When a wound occurs, the damaged tissues and the broken platelets are all producing thromboplastinogenase that act on thromboplastinogen. Thus, active thromboplastin or thrombokinase is produced. That thrombokinase start the events. Thrombokinase will be acting on prothrombin. Prothrombin is converted into, see, I will write the events in a very simple form. Thromboplasminogen is an inactive compound. Thromboplasminogenase is an enzyme that converts this thromboplasminogen, gen is an inactive one, to active thromboplastin. Thromboplastin is also called thrombokinase. It is an activating enzyme. This thrombokinase acts on a protein which is present in inactive form, present in blood, produced by the liver under the influence of vitamin K, prothrombin. This prothrombin, is a pro, inactive, is converted into active thrombin in presence of calcium. Prothrombin is produced under the influence of vitamin K. So, it is in the liver that prothrombin is produced. Okay. Once thrombin is produced, the thrombin will be activating the next fibrinogen, which is a gen, inactive, to active fibrin. This fibrin is in next turn polymerized to form fibrin threads. These fibrin threads are forming a meshwork, a network at the site of the wound in which formed elements are trapped. Trapped elements plus meshwork will form what is called clot. After clot, what is remaining in the plasma may be oozing for some time. That's called serum. Okay, this is the overall reaction in a nutshell. And as I told you, 13 factors are involved. These factors are fibrinogen 1, prothrombin 2, thromboplastin 3, calcium 4. Without these factors, blood will not clot. You will be studying that. Factor 8, 9, 11. Because of the deficiency of these factors, you are having hemophilia. Classical hemophilia. That is hemophilia A, then hemophilia B, hemophilia C. 8, 9 and 11 factors. Okay, so we are having a lot of such events. Now coming to the question. What is correct event of occurring? So conversion of fibrinogen to fibrin. See, fibrinogen to fibrin, it is not the first one. So thromboplastin formation among them, that is the number 1. So the chance is for this one. Thromboplastin. Then formation of the clot at the end. Conversion of fibrinogen before that. Conversion of prothrombin to thrombin. See, prothrombin to thrombin. You can see it here. Prothrombin to thrombin. Okay, so that should be the second one. then 3 fibrinogen to fibrin, and finally plot. That should be the order. So the option goes to box. Clear?